Good evening, everyone. I hope all is good. Come on, be live now. Chana, fatafat. Come on, everyone. Okay. So today's session is about science and technology first chapter. I've decided to take first chapter as your first lecture of science and technology, as it is a very important chapter known as energy. Prior starting with this chapter, let us discuss about some basic syllabus, basic strategies, what will be the course material, the study material that you have to study, and then we'll start our formal lectures. Okay, so going to science and technology, if we see science and technology, I hope I am legible. I hope. Okay. So it comprises of in various civil services paper, be it your UPSC or your state PCs, any state PCs, state civil services. Clear? Okay. So in UPSC, the weightage of science and technology in the previous years, what we have seen. Hello. Okay. In the previous years, if we see since 2011 and so on, or in the recent years, if we see in after 2018 till now, till 23, we have seen the number of questions in science and technology is increasing, recurring, right? It is increasing regularly. It is increasing from 2 to 3 questions each year. On an average, if we see, the number of questions in science and technology in prelims, it is approximately 15 to 18 questions, which is an approximate idea. Not less than that, but yes, it can be more than that. In prelims, it is the weightage is of 15 to 18 questions, and in your mains, it is approximately 2 to 3 questions. Just seeing about the syllabus, if you see in the simple syllabus of science and technology, right? So yes, we can see that science and technology has 2 sections in it. It has 2 sections in it. One is your general science, and the other one is the application part of general science, that is technology. If you see about in the general science section, the weightage of it comprises of 3 sections. General science comprises of 3 sections: physics, chemistry, and biology. Physics, chemistry, and yes, biology. But if we see the weightage in these 3 subjects, if we see the weightage of what is the weightage of physics, what's the weightage of chemistry, and what's the weightage of biology, the weightage is maximum of biology. The weightage is maximum of biology, right? Which, yes, the second weightage is of physics, and the third, and we can say the least weightage is of chemistry. Chemistry questions are very either very typical or either very easy. So we don't need to focus on the chemistry section primarily, but yes, we have to focus on the biology section and the some basic concepts of in the of the physics subject, right? So if we see in the biology section, if you see what will be the main syllabus in the recent years, we have seen, if we see the previous year papers and the syllabus, see there's no syllabus defined of science and technology as such. UPSC hasn't defined any typical topics, anything which is which we can see that it will be the syllabus, the written syllabus of science and technology. Yes, the technology section is defined in the UPSC is that it must be relevant in the emerging technologies. The topics which are relevant for the emerging technologies, it is the syllabus of UPSC. So it can be both technology section as well as general science section. It can be both application part or the technology or the general science part. Why am I emphasizing you on general science? Why? Because see, there are many guys who are preparing for UPSC. There are many of you that who don't have any kind of science background. Considering this, if you don't have a basic idea of science, of general science, of small of very minute analysis of the technology section, right, of the general science, it will be very much difficult. It will be very much difficult for you to understand the technology section, the application part. Because if we need to study about biotechnology, we need to study about what is bio. We need to, if we are going to deal with DNA, if we are going to deal with RNA, if we are going to deal with ribosomes, if we are going to deal with genetic engineering, the emerging technology, if we are going to deal with STEM technology, if we are going to deal with cloning, if we are going to deal with genetic uh, transactions, yes, then in this case we need to have a basic knowledge of biology, the basic knowledge of the cell and their functions. If we don't need to, if we don't have the basic idea of the microorganisms, then it will be a bit difficult to study about the diseases. And yes, human diseases and human physiology is the basic idea of UPSC syllabus. Am I clear? So if we need to, if we see the syllabus, yes, it is plant and animal structure or the physiography or we can say the physiology of plant, animal, clear, in which we have to deal with cell, circulatory system, endocrine system, cell, circulatory system, endocrine system, human diseases, and so on. And so on. I hope everything is clear, right? And I am audible. Clear? Okay. Okay, yes. Now, if we see the technology section, it comprises of the first chapter, energy, the second chapter, biotechnology, the third chapter, space technology, the fourth chapter, different